Hi everyone, another video time and just another reminder to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. There's the button. So today we had a very robust rally, huge explosion in equities. Here's the ES on an hour basis for the past 120 trading days. So as you can see here, our first kind of peak was late in July, after which we began the all too brief plunge, which terminated on, when I got to the Berlin airport, or the Frankfurt airport. And then we had another staggering surge, which pretty much stalled out early in September. And we started to get this nice dome pattern going on. And the powers that be have a very big concern about this 1968 price level because, they just got to keep things propped up somehow, right? And so once we reached there, just boom, out of the blue, just this enormous rally again. This, I guess, was the Yellen zone and all that. But we exploded higher, reached a lifetime high not that long ago, and then resumed and kind of undid all those gains in about the same amount of time. And after hitting 1968 zone again, almost to the tick, I think, just a quarter point above it. Then, out of the blue, for really no very clear reason, a retracement of about half of those losses in the course of just a few hours. Now, the only regret I have has nothing to do with my shorts. I love my shorts to pieces. My shorts are beautiful. The charts are gorgeous. Slope Plus members know that some recent suggestions, like just the one yesterday, actually, or was it 2 days ago, whatever the most recent post was, related to a certain ETF, has still tumbled nicely in spite of this rally. So there's a lot of great setups out there. So I'm fine with my shorts. Thank you so much for asking. I've got 123 of them, and I've got 43 more I want to get into at good prices. My only rip was my longs, because I tried to catch the euro falling knife, and I tried to get cute and get some precious metals. All those got my day off to a bad start, and I dumped them, and I'm purely short again. So I covered very, very little in the way of short positions today, and just hanging tough. So let's walk through. I'm not going to listen. I bury you people with individual ideas constantly. Let me just thumb through some indexes and share a few words about them. The really important one, I think, is the Dow Jones Composite, which needs to close beneath this support level to really get things rocking and rolling, 60.53. We got beneath it just by a hair earlier today, but our cute little rally undid that. That's an important support level for us. The Comp Q, which was stronger today than the Comp, I'm kind of cool to NASDAQ in general. I'm really focused on the small caps. So that this has to break down more severely. This has to get below 44.85 to make things even mildly interesting. The S&P 500, everything's green today, but in this instance, we again sneaked just a tiny bit below this trend line, this intermediate term trend line, and bounced off of that. We've really got to break down beneath this because I think we've got a nice big range here to fall into. And between now and sometime in the midst of October, I think we're gonna tag this this major support line down here. The VIX, of course, got killed today because everybody was BTFDing again. And as I've mentioned repeatedly, both on tastytrade and here, this is my God right now. I mean, I am watching this and using this as the only basis on which I will throw in the bearish towel. And actually, it's not a very good metaphor. I will, in a celebratory fashion, throw in the towel and say thank you and cover my shorts. At this time, I'm just making obscene gestures at bulls and the, what's her name? Jackie DeAngelis of the world, and just shorting more. So I ain't cutting out until we make a little blue dot right here. The most enthusiasm I have for any index, of course, remains with the Russell. We broke on Tuesday this trend line. We sneaked beneath this intermediate term trend line yesterday and today, and we're in the midst of bouncing, I think, to the underbelly of that broken trend line. which is fine. And if we bounce away from it, the ideal scenario, I'll just say so right now, is if we tag it and bounce away from it and get beneath the lows set today, then you can expect some irrational exuberance from me. So that's really all I've got to say. I had earlier cast myself as a person who is, long euro, long precious metals, and short equities. I'm just short equities now. And, I still think the euro will rally probably mightily at some point, and I'll sort of shake my head and wish I was there. But I'm really just trying to keep it simple. Okay, that is it. Best of luck. We got 4 trading days left this quarter. Bye.